Hey everyone, the 28-bit guys here, and today we will talk about the recent rumors about the Galaxy S11 series. So first let's talk about displays. So recent rumors show that the S11 series will come with a 6.2, 6.4, 6.7 and 6.9 inch display, and it will be wide. Another rumor says that the S11 and S11 Plus devices will pack a Super AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio and a 120Hz display. The S11 5G will pack 12 gigs of RAM and an Exynos 990 or Snapdragon 8. The S11 Plus will have 5 cameras on the back and a single hole punch camera on the front. The main sensor on the back will be a 108 megapixel sensor with 5x optical zoom, which would enable users to shoot 8K videos with QHD plus resolution, and the second sensor would be a laser autofocus. There are other rumors that says that the S11 Plus will be 10.2 millimeters thick because of the huge camera bump, and the launch event is rumored to take place on February 11th. And the S11 and S11 Plus will come in black, blue, and gray variants, while the S11e will come in blue, gray, and pink variants. The prices will remain the same as this year, so the S11e will cost $749, the regular S11 will cost $899, and the S11 Plus will cost $999. But one wild card could be 5G. At this point, we're not sure which models will offer this connectivity and how much it might add to the cost. One rumor has said that Samsung is launching a cheaper S11 Lite model alongside the Galaxy S11, but it may only launch in Europe and Asia. So these was the recent rumors about the Galaxy S11 Plus. If you like this video, please subscribe. This was Basil from the 128-bit guy. See you guys later.